ladies and gentlemen. Ladies, any girls watch your show? We're down here at All Asian Day at Lakeside Park. The Hako's all up and running. Gav's heading out on the track, so they got some crew sessions on. We're in for a real fun day. Look at this lineup down there. Absolutely awesome cars on display here today. It's bloody spectacular. Look at this beautiful crown over here. Come on, look at that. Look at those wheels. Nice. Oh, look at that rust from that wheel nut. Might have to clean that one up. We've got some giveaways going on today. We have got some Bars Bugs giveaway. So we've got some cleaning essentials. We've got a ToolPro giveaway going on. We're selling some merch. We've got Adam from Flip My Ride. How are you, mate?
Good, buddy. How are you?
I'm not paying you today. You know that, eh?
No, I know.
All right,
I'm here for love, mate.
Timmy's got his Datsun here, FJ20 Datsun. There's stuff here. Oh, look at this. And that's what it's for. I don't know. Would you trust your kid in the back like that or not? Well, what do you reckon, Spencer? What do you reckon?
He loves it.
So we're down here all day. I'll do a walk around of some of the cars, do a bit of a music montage, and then we'll head out on the Hako on the track later on for some dorts. Oh, look at this guy's hat here. That looks bloody spectacular, mate. All right, so Gussie's actually going out with the Hoff in Stuff. If you don't know Stuff, then you're missing out. Hey, mate, how are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, man. The Hoff's AE71. It's an absolute weapon, this thing, and just amazes me. The Hoff smashed this thing together so quickly, so I know that Gus is going to be screaming like a little girl, so I'm going to hand him the camera so I can do some filming. Hey, Grommy.
Hello.
Hey, Hoff. Hey, do you mind if I throw the camera to Gus so I can capture his little girl screaming? Yeah. All right, wicked.
There'll be a lot of it.
You know what to do.
Yeah. Gav has kindly thrown me the keys to the Hako.
We're out on track with Kai and Kane. Kai in the back here. Go for a little flat around the track. Al and Gussie are out on track at the same time too. So Gussie's been handed the keys and done the driver's briefing, and he's out on track, which is pretty cool. So hopefully I want to line up against them just to get some side-by-side footage. So Gav reports that he's just absolutely in love with the car. He said driving down the highway, everyone's giving him thumbs up, throwing him shackers, so it's good that people like it. But he has reported that it is very loud and obnoxious on the road. So should we go to GR Yaris?
Yeah. Hako versus Yaris. Go him. Let it rev. Let it sing, buddy. Yeah.
And that was a roll on in third. This thing's so sick.
She's rocking,
Yeah, the blade. He wants to run.
Oh, look at this cool old thing. We should race this guy.
Yeah, old Dado. Yeah. He's gonna run up on it.
Oh! Go him.
This car is absolutely amazing. You're probably laughing at my facial expressions too, but you've got to concentrate with this thing. It's like any kind of car. I want to see your face when you're pulling 7,500 RPM. Hey! Do you want to slow right down on the straight with me? Slow right down on the straight.
Yeah. Let it rev, big fella on the shifts. The quickest fucking kids in the southeast. Go him. He got black flag.
You had me. You had me there, Chris. What do you reckon, young fella? You like it? Are you busy sending Snapchats to your mates? He is. Total first one. That gripped up well.
Yeah.
How good's a rotary sound screaming next to you too? So good. Very impressed with that first gear pull. That it gripped up very well too. Like,
Yeah.
I think that was a slight bit of wheel spin just in second gear there, but
Yeah. Probably starting to get a little bit of heat in the tyres.
Yeah,
too, and
yeah.
the track's drying off, so.
can't wait. Let's bet someone's going to screenshot my facials too. Like,
Yeah. There'll be a meme in 2 seconds. Straight cut life.
yeah, you know you got something serious going. You got straight cut gears.
Here we go. Hiya! Oh, he's dumped ya! Can jump.
Gavin, you're an absolute legend. Thank you for letting us build you such an absolute animal, dude. This thing's amazing. And it's actually really rewarding to actually drive a car that we've built. So stoked, man. This thing is absolutely awesome. Thanks to Kai for putting a mad tune too.
No worries.
Also, I've got to do a mad shout out to Lakeside Park for having us here today. We love coming down to these kind of events, and to use your car on a track like this, I think it's like 10 or 20 bucks for a 20-minute session. It's just absolutely awesome. So thank you, Jono, for inviting us along. We're definitely keen to come back. And if you're around Southeast Queensland and you want to use your car and use it safely, come on down to these kind of events. They're awesome. This is all Asian Day, so all vehicles from Asian continents. But then you've got Steel Bumper Day.
Yeah, Chrome Bar. They do an American. They do an all Aussie day. I think there's a European day as well. There's a Euro day as well.
The options are endless, so come on down. And the other cool thing is you get to meet new people, make new friends. It's the best part about it. So show off your car, and if you're lucky, sometimes you get to win some prizes. So we've got the 245 Zestinos on there. With a bit of heat, these things are hooking up. That first gear pull, that thing just did so well. Gavin, you're an absolute legend, dude. That was so good. How good is this car, eh?
It's a beast. It's so fun.
Absolutely love it. Again, dude, thank you so much for letting us build an animal for you, man.
Thank you to you and Al for building it.
Oh, it's your credit card.
Bike tuning, everyone involved.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's awesome.
What an absolute mad day we've had down here. It's been spot on. The weather's held off. It's kind of a bit of a sprinkle coming down now, which is, oh well, that's bound to happen. Thanks to everyone that's come past the stall and bought some merchandise. We've actually sold out of shirts. We're selling out of hoodies. We are selling out left, right and center, and we're actually about to draw the giveaway. So we've got the ToolPro giveaway. I think it's like 400 bucks worth of tools there. Names in the jar. And Alan and I've already done a walk around and seen a couple of cars. I'm gonna give the bars bug stuff away. There's actually 2 packs here. One of them's got washing, like a mitt and a drying towel in there, some microfiber cloths, and the other one is full of like glass cleaner and wheel cleaner and car wash, headlight restorer, all the good stuff. I can't confirm or deny if some of these have been used before, so apologies if you get one and it's been used, but we picked a bucket out of the shed and that's what it was. So I'm gonna go find some cars, and I believe we've got a trophy to give away for the show and shine too, so we'll walk around and pick some vehicles.
It's time to draw the ToolPro giveaway. So I'm shaking up Woody's fancy handmade in Italy.
It's Italian, mate. It's Italian.
I'm not sure if it's genuine or not, or maybe the sticker's handmade in Italy.
Lucky winner.
I can't get my hand in it.
No, you can't. Come on.
You do it.
All right.
So,
Whoa, as if you
I'm
can't.
gonna get my hand stuck in there.
That was a bit of a fail, wasn't it? All right, doing a random one. There we go.
Alex Chimento. Bad ideas.
Bad ideas, Alex. No way, there we go. I'll go and find him.
Where to find him.
Hang on. We don't even need to call him. Hey, Alex. We've just drawn our ToolPro giveaway. And guess whose name came out of the drawer? Where is he?
He gone. Where is he? He gone.
Oh. All right, we'll be back. Redraw, you reckon?
Is he still here?
So Alex from Bad Ideas, these guys are set up beside us. They actually run events here down at Lakeside too, so if you ever want to get on track, these guys, these are your men. We'll find him, we'll come back anyway. We'll get him. So there you go. Now we've got the Vars Bugs giveaway, so we're going to run around the track and find the 2 dirtiest cars worthy of some Vars Bugs goodies. Alex, congrats, brother.
How are you? Thank you very much.
No worries, man.
It.
How's that?
Oh, bro, I don't expect to win things.
So we've got the ToolPro set here. It's basically drill, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 throttle gun.
You have no idea how long I've told myself I need one of these.
These are life.
They're the best, eh?
I've used, because I body swapped my car, and I did it at a mate's shop, and I was using one of these the whole time. And
They're the
like,
best.
this is amazing.
Also, spare 12-volt battery,
Hell
just
yeah.
because I know how handy they are, man. So,
Awesome.
congrats, use it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for the support, man. We
Thanks
appreciate
very much.
it. No worries, thanks, man.
Appreciate
Cheers,
Love
dude.
what you guys do. Thank you.
Also, I got to say, thanks to everyone who came along and bought some merchandise. We've sold out of so much stuff, so we really appreciate it. Absolute legends. So, Now we're gonna go for a run for this bars bug stuff, and then I think I'm gonna go out in the Hako for another run for some hot laps. So technically this is like one wash kit, so it's actually meant to go together. You've got the washing mitt and the drying towel in one, and then you've got car wash and all the rest in the other. So technically we should only be choosing one car, but I think we should be choosing 2 cars, just because surely you've got a chamois at home. If you've got a car like this, you've got to own a chamois. So hang on, Mazda RX-7. Too clean, Dave. Sorry, mate. We've come across the MX-5, which if you bring your car to a car show, you got to give it a wash, and I'm sure you can see the marks on the paint there. So does anybody know the owner of this car? We're going to find the owner of this MX-5, and he's going to win one of these buckets, because come on, man, look at this. You need to clean that stuff. We picked the MX-5 over there because it was a bit dirty, and we've just walked past this Zenki S14. It's pretty tidy. I do like it, but there's a couple of, like, you know, there's a bit of dust and there's a stinking bird poop on the back there, bird turd. So Al pointed at this one, so we're going to try and get this one away for the what do you reckon? Who gets the chemicals? Who gets the chamois and stuff?
I don't know, you're the car washing guy.
Alright, this guy gets all the car wash stuff. The MX-5 will get the chamois.
How do you know it's not a girl?
Could be a girl. You're right. That's going to wrap us up here at Lakeside Park for All Asian Day. Oh, check out this Celica. But we've had an awesome day down here today. It's been an absolute blast. Thanks to Lakeside Park for having us. These events here are absolutely awesome. Not only like All Asian Days, but they've got like Chrome Bar Bonanza, All Aussie Day. They've got heaps of events on here, so come on down, bring your car along, race it on the track safely, have some fun. Thanks to everyone that's come past and bought some merchandise here at the tent. Oh, look at this little rally car. Thanks to everyone that's come past the merch tent and bought some merch and entered our ToolPro giveaway. And congratulations to our winners of our Bars Bugs giveaway too. Clean your cars if you're coming to a car event, or don't, and you might have the chance to win some stuff. Gus has had an awesome time here in the Liberty too, first time out on the track, so he's frothing. Gab's absolutely stoked with the car. The Hako is an absolute animal, this thing. I'm so impressed with the way this thing performs, even with a full car. It pulls and pulls and pulls. Very fun car, just absolutely speechless. So we're signing off. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and maybe see you guys at an event shortly, and coming to an event near you very soon. See you next time, see you next week. Cheers, dudes.